In this video, I will be disassembling this 2021 Volkswagen Jetta LED taillight. I will begin by cutting off the rest of the lens. I've cut the lens from the light. Next, I'm going to remove the T10 screws from the rear of the light. Next, I will pop the assembly out of the housing. Here we can see that these reflectors are all built into the housing. They are not a removable piece. Here we can see that the wire harness is plastic welded into the housing. The only way to get to this is to drill it out. This upper reflector is connected to the LED board with two T10 Torx screws. The taillight is now fully disassembled. Here's the LED board. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.